Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Sumif in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data and here I'm going to use the Sumif with the one criteria. Okay, so let's start. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the Sumif and select here the Sumif function. Then select the first range. So range of the criteria. Here the criteria is a customer, so range will be customer column. Select the first cell, use the shift control down arrow to select the entire range of column. Then use the comma, then select the criteria. Criteria is a customer, select the empty. Okay, then use the comma and select the sum range. So here I want the sum total amount of the sale empty customer. So sum range will be amount column. Okay, so select the cell, use the shift control down arrow and bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here the sum total of empty customer is 1,40,650. If you want to cross check, simply apply the filter on your data, select the cell, click on the three dot, click on the create filter, and here the filter the customer name. So click on the filter icon and clear all, and here select the empty and click on OK. And here the customer empty is filtered. Now select the all amount of the empty customer and you can see here the sum amount 1,46,50. I, I remove this filter and see here 1,46,50. It means it's correctly calculated. And in sheet number 2, I mentioned here some details or related to sum if. The definition, you just adds the values based on the single condition. Number of conditions supports only one condition. Flexibility less flexible due to the single condition. And performance faster for a single condition. So that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.